Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. Today I'll teach you how to use GIFs on your Instagram comment. So if you want to add GIFs on comment, you can clearly do that because this is the new feature provided by Instagram. And if you don't have this feature, then you probably haven't updated your Instagram. So make sure to update your Instagram, alright? And after you update the Instagram, you can follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So you basically have to go on comment if you want to add GIF. So let's say I want to add a GIF on this little video over here, or a reel. What I can do is click on the comment button in Instagram, which is going to be in the middle of the heart button and the share button. Click on the comment and your comment section will open up. And as you guys can see the little GIF icon right beside where it says add a comment. Click on the GIF, and over here you can click on search GIF to search for any GIF you want. But I'm just going to choose a random GIF. Let's say I want to do this bunny dancing. I can click on it and it's going to be posted over here just like this. And just like this, I just have commented GIF on somebody's Instagram post. That's how you guys can use GIF on your Instagram post or anybody else's Instagram post. And other can just click and comment and view the GIF over here like this. That's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.